Everyone, good morning. So, what happened to us in the past? What result that we have in the past is nothing to do with what we have at this time moment forward. Ibig sabihin, kung ano man yung result, kung dati broke tayo, kung dati may mali tayo nagawa, kung dati hindi maganda yung buhay mo, there's nothing to do right now sa'yo. Kung ano man ang sitwasyon na meron ka dati, is hindi makaka-apekto sa'yo kung anong meron ka ngayon. Why? Because every moment is a new moment. Kailangan i-drill natin yung mind natin na every moment is a new moment. This is another moment of our life that we have to start a new one. So, hindi dapat nakafocus yung mind natin. So, kung anong nangyayari sa atin in the past. Kasi, there's nothing to do that past moment sa buhay natin. Kailangan mo lang i-accept sa sarili mo that is the past. Now, it's time for you to move forward. And that best moment is right now. Your present moment up to the future. So, importante kung ano ang nangyayari ngayon, because that is the new moment of your life. Every single time, every single moment that we have is a new start for life. Kung dati is mahina ka, kung dati marami kang kapalpakan na nangyari sa buhay mo, kung dati hindi mo na-achieve yung mga goal mo, that is the best. The best thing, you start to change everything right now. Start ng buhay mo at this moment of your time. Move forward. Because that is the very important. Huwag ka mag-focus sa kung ano na past. Kasi magkaibang moment, period of your time. Kailangan mo lang gawin, start right now. Start the life that you want to have right now. Huwag mo i-accept sa sarili mo na kung ano yung result mo dati, yung pala yung magiging result mo ngayon. Kasi every moment is a new moment. You have to practice your mind, drill your mind that every moment is a new moment. That every one of us have a chance to change the cycle of actions of our life because we have a new moment of our life. We can start the life that we wanted. Everything is in your hand. You can decide what the things can happen to you from the day moment of your life because everything is a new start. Hope this simple motivational talk you learn something. Thank you everyone and God bless.